एक दो रेबिस को फेंक दो, एक दो रेबिस को फेंक दो।
नारी शक्ति
जिंदाबाद। Justice, we want justice,
We want justice.
we want safety, we want safety, we want safety, safety for women, safety for a girl, safety for a child.
लायन्स क्लब रिजनल एक्स डिस्ट्रिक्ट 117B बियॉन्ड बॉर्डर्स महिला शक्ती अभियान गोवा नॅशनल ह्युमन रायट्स काउन्सिल इनर व्हील वास्को द गामा हांच्या जोड पालवान भारतात बायलांचे सुरक्षे खातीर एकचाराचो संबंध म्हण ब्लॅक बँड सायलेंट मार्च जालो. MES कला आणि वाणिज्य महाविद्यालय सांकवाळे ते बिट्स पिलानी KK बिर्ला गोवा कॅम्पस सांकवाळ मेरेन हो मार्च जालो.
It is really shocking. On Independence Day, Arisa, Tej Ratik, one girl was been killed, raped and killed. It's really shocking that it is happening in India. We have no safety. Our girls have no safety. A woman is not safe. It's your own sister. It's your own. You come from a woman's womb, and still you're killing. You're trying to rape a girl. How could you be so rude after coming from a woman's womb? You don't know what is the safety of a woman. You don't know how to take care of a woman. First of all, I think so we must educate our sons. A woman should educate her son so that he does not do such incident again in future. And also, we must, whoever does even a molestation should be actually given a highest penalty. Even the smallest crime of even molestation should be given a highest penalty of being putting to death. I feel that is the only remedy for this. Then only there will be no rape cases in India and in the world.
We are gathered here to show our solidarity for the incident that has happened in Kolkata and many places in several other places in India, and it's keeping on happening. Right from it started from Nirbhaya in 2012 and now in 2017 in Nirbhaya 1, then Nirbhaya 2. It's just going on 4, 5, 6, and this will again be named like this. So we want justice. We want justice so that women can independently move about everywhere. We want a little bit now. Just some days we celebrated independence. So that independence is not there for women. We cannot just move about anywhere exactly. So we want to voice out and we want to reach the parliament that they should not delay the procedures for that and arrest those people or hang them so that it should not happen again.
आम्ही कलकत्ताक जे पळय रेप केस जाल्या ते रेप केसीक अगेन्स्ट प्रोटेस्ट करपाक आमी एकठांय जाले सगळे विथ ऑल द अदर ग्रुप्स एंड द ओनली थिंग आय वॉन्ट टू से इज दॅट वेन अ वुमन सेज नो इट मीन्स नो एंड आई वुड लाइक टू टेल ऑल द मदर्स दैट वी नीड टू एडुकेट आवर सन्स एंड दे नीड टू नो द repercussion of such cases because if they don't understand what they are doing today then definitely they will not have any pain for what a lady is going through and what the family is going through. So it is our duty to teach each, not only the female should be held back from going out, but the guys, the boys should be made to understand that it is enough now and we will not keep quiet.
Where you go, whether it be workplace or anywhere, students and the women are really tortured, molested, raped because the perpetrators of this law are never getting convictions, and there are it should not be that we are only fighting for justice because justice delayed is justice denied.
And if possible, hang them so that it sets a good example to the others who are planning to create such heinous crime. This is a very sad state of affairs of our country. I appeal to the government, please book the culprits and see that justice is done. The family has lost the girl, but let no more daughters be lost on this beautiful country of ours.
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले मनीषा जाधव आणि संगीता ओली.